We know energy prices are going up, and it is so critical to start developing that new energy mix. And having something on site, being able to generate your own energy on your own backyard, having that control, the ability to have your own energy made right there is very critical. Bloom Energy is a perfect match for what we're trying to do, that alternative energy source. It will reduce our carbon emissions and will give us the energy reliability that we need to have. Bloom Energy fuel cell has exceeded our expectations. Number one, it doesn't even take that much space. Instead of tying up the entire roof with an installation, you now only use the equivalent of 6 parking spaces for the fuel cell. It's very reliable. It operates 24/7. It's on all the time. When you imagine what will be a building of the future, Bloom has to be part of it.
First and foremost, we are in an organization where electricity is needed to power critical loads of refrigerators and freezers that house millions of dollars of inventory that's critical to our customers. And so first and foremost, this is a reliable power source for us that ensures that in the event of a grid outage, we'll continue to produce power to those critical loads. It's clean energy. Performance has been extraordinary. All of the aspects of the project that Bloom committed to have been executed and more. I think our efficiency numbers are higher than expected. The Bloom Energy team is an incredible team to work with. From start to finish, everything has been executed flawlessly. Bloom really takes the long-term approach. They help you to develop the business case and educate you along the way, which is really important on the front end. And they carry through all the way to the back end of flawless project implementation. We really do consider it a bit turnkey for us. It's taken very little need for us to be involved in making sure everything occurs as it's expected to. We're already looking to where we can do our next project in the Bay Area and expect to see some good results as we continue on our journey with Bloom Energy.